What do you think? Is this dress blue and black or white and gold? Just kidding. Hey there, it's Carrie Lum with Buzz 60, and while we don't have to wonder what color this dress is, it is breaking the internet, at least for meteorologists. A link to this dress was shared in a closed Facebook group for television meteorologists as a great dress to wear on camera. At only $23 on Amazon, many women picked up the dress and added it to their wardrobe. The result was a composite picture of many of them in the dress, and it went viral. I even heard from my own sister-in-law yesterday asking if I wanted to wear this dress for Buzz 60. Yes. After seeing the picture, many people were curious what made this dress so great for TV. It's partially the block colors. They also can't show cleavage because it upsets viewers over 40, and the skirt needs to be plenty long. And most local TV meteorologists have to provide for their own wardrobe, so the cost is a factor. This dress fits the bill, and the end result is that the perfect TV dress has been discovered. Even better, now we can all play a game while watching our weather forecast to see if our meteorologist is wearing the dress. Buzz 60. Now you know, pass it on.